So what's up today, guys? I'm on my secret account, and we're gonna be screaming at the top of my lungs Christmas carols and hoping people that they have a nice Christmas! You guys ready for this? Episode 1! Let's go! Alright, lobby 1, let's see how this goes, mate. Let's see how this goes, mate.
No, wait, how do you say it? Something agua. Ninja agua. I'm X-Team.
Yo, whoever's last, I hope your bed is warm tonight.
Yo, whoever's wearing the blue and... Oh,
Hey, I hope your family has a nice Christmas!
yo, I want to check out your family.
I'm so cooked. You're catching up. You're catching up. Oh my gosh, the only way to survive is staying on walls. I don't think you guys can wall run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Save me. Michael, don't leave me here. Oh my gosh. I'm not on my Steam account and I'm still having lag.
Yo, can you get it?
I love you. Bye. I hate you. I just got that recorded. That's on recording. That's on recording.
Alright, so like, first lobby, it's not bad. Next lobby. So basically, when the round starts again, or when somebody gets tagged, I'm just gonna yell at them. Who's getting yelled at? Hey! I hope your family has a nice Christmas! I think he does have a nice.
Where are you using this my phone?
Jocelyn's downstairs. Hi. I can't sit down. What if I...
No, that's my account. I need to go down things eating you. That's the best. Yeah.
Okay, this lobby's boring. There's nobody like yapping anymore, so like, alright, I'm just gonna end it right now. So next lobby, let's go.
Oh, not camping, bro. I was talking.
Yo, I hope your family has a nice Christmas.
Guys, Doom's the camper. Guys, Doom's the camper. Was that a nice thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing.
Wait, what did you say?
I hope your family has a good Christmas.
Is that a good thing?
It's a good thing. I'm sweating right now. I'm getting a little bit lightheaded, but I'm fine. I'm just not gonna die. I don't feel like it.
Hey, Lava.
I'm literally touching him.
Huh? You're not touching.
Goofy. Help me. Black out. Black, come on, Black. Bro, gang, stop camping. Here's someone. Bro, he's...
Oh, hello. I was going to save you.
Bro, everyone's camping, right? Yeah, Goofy. Guys, everyone just... Guys, can't do next time. You guys can't do next round. Hey,
Okay.
No! That's my code! I was just about to do it! Free shiny rocks!
Free shiny rocks? I bet.
I bet it's crazy.
I'm 9 years old!
P-B-B-V. See you there, broski. If it's full, it don't make sense if it's full, though. It's taking a while. Oh, I'm in! Yo, it's P-B-B-V. Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Hey! I hope your family has a nice Christmas! Some dude has major echo.
Oh my god!
Oh, I hear something.
still in?
Is that Echo?
Yeah, he's still here.
Oh my gosh, it's the real Echo. Oh my gosh, are you the real? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to stare there. I forgot about that part. What's up, bro? Bro, your echo is so bad. Yo, you is not the real Echo. That's not even the right color code.
Highly doubt it.
Yeah, you're not. Yeah, this is literally not even the right color code. Oh yeah, I'm staring at you, bro. I'm staring at you. What you gonna do, bro? You're fake.
What?